Onboarding is part of our modular customer lifecycle management platform. Whether your challenge is retail onboarding at scale or onboarding highly complex client relationships, our award-winning onboarding solution allows you to create the right first impression with your clients and drastically reduce time to revenue. Judged by Chartis to be the world's leading onboarding solution for the wealth management industry, our onboarding solution can help you blaze a path to doing more better business faster. The risk-based approach is baked into every stage of the onboarding process. This drives operational efficiencies while ensuring all KYC requirements are met. Our fully configurable no-code solution means you can customize the onboarding process to your exact needs and respond to new regulatory requirements without expensive and slow vendor change requests. Leading KYB, UBO discovery, and EIDV and screening data providers are pre-integrated with the platform and ready to use out of the box. They are available under a single contract, resulting in reduced time to value when contracting, vendor consolidation, faster deployment, and cost efficiency. The onboarding process starts with data collection and moves through stages, including identity verification and screening. It ends with a risk-based approval process where all the information is summarized and can be easily reviewed, or straight through approved if all required checks have been passed. At the data collection stage, you gather information on the prospect to be able to form the initial view of risk and ensure all the required bases have been covered. The data can be collected in 4 ways. The information can be manually added by your staff if you have it already. Some of the data can be provided by a KYB lookup using our integrated data providers. You can supply the data from your own system either using integrations or through a bulk upload. Or you can ask your prospects to complete this directly using a fully branded portal. You can also mix and match all 4 of these data collection approaches within one onboarding process. Every single field is audited, so you can see where the data came from, who completed each field, and even the history of changes to the field over time. To reach out to your prospects to collect information, you can use emails and a portal with your branding, so your customers have a consistent experience of your company. This begins with the invitation email, which is fully customizable and can be automated. A mail merge functionality enables personalized emails to be sent automatically if required. The prospect will receive an email with a link to the portal. Here is an example of what this could look like. The logo, colors, fonts, layout, and background can all be changed to match your branding, and this can all be customized by you in the user interface. The prospect can then fill in the information. You have complete control of the questions you want to ask. These questions can be responsive, so they appear or disappear depending on answers that have been provided earlier. While this information is being collected, a live risk rating exercise is taking place. This means if the answers given indicate the prospect is in a higher risk category, then you can automatically ask enhanced due diligence questions and request supporting documents in the form itself. You can also gather documents and consent to terms and conditions. The Ask Once approach is a game changer, speeding the collection of all the information you need and avoiding frustrating back and forth with your prospect. Utilizing our dynamic web portal to gather information gives you a very high success rate for first-time applications. This results in higher conversions to sales, a better experience for your prospects, and a reduction in effort for your operational teams. Once all the data has been collected, it is fed back into the onboarding solution where further checks can take place. The intensity of these checks can be dialed up or down according to the risk assessment of the prospect. Based on the data, a risk assessment takes place to produce a score using a sophisticated weighted risk model. You can see scores for particular risk factors and override any area for particularly risky characteristics. The way the system calculates this risk is completely customizable to be consistent with your own risk model. The first of these checks is the electronic identity and address verification process. This is conducted on a dedicated mobile app, available on both iPhone and Android devices. This process captures and analyzes an ID document and a selfie of the submitter. Using a biometric comparison, the submitter's facial features are compared to the photo on the ID document and security checks carried out on the ID document itself. A liveness check on the submitter is also conducted. You can even electronically verify the submitter's address in 26 countries. This validation is done against a series of database sources. The name and address of the individual is matched against leading data sources to confirm whether it is accurate and current. Many regulators are prepared to accept this process as an alternative to using certified copies of bank statements or utility bills, saving time, frustration, and expense for your prospects. Next, you can screen the prospect against sanctions, PEPs, and watch lists. This solution is fully integrated with the world's best datasets from Dow Jones, WorldCheck and LexisNexis, providing you with maximum optionality. The results of screening show whether or not there has been a potential match. If there is, you have the option to flag or discount that match according to statuses you have set up. The final stage of onboarding is the approval point. Here, all the information that has been collected and validated is summarized on a single page, making it easier to review. Here, you can see the results of the EIDV, and here you can see the results of the screening. The approval of the screening is risk-based. You can decide to use a straight-through process for low-risk applications, or you can have up to 8 people involved in approvals for higher-risk prospects. Our onboarding solution provides you with a rapid, integrated process for onboarding right from data collection through to creating an up-to-date and robust KYC record, complete with contextual information, records of screening, EIDV, KYB, and evidence of sign-off from required parties. Our customers have benefited from a reduction in time to revenue of up to 80% as a result of the efficiency gains from adopting the solution. All of this while delivering higher levels of risk assurance, lower costs, and a significantly improved end customer experience, allowing them to do more better business faster. Learn more by booking a discovery call with us at KYC360.com.